Right, so we've got an exciting day today. The sliding door window should be arriving. So this bit of blue tape that's been on my sliding door for the past 5 months can come off. Fingers crossed. So first job is to, well, I say first job, hopefully it's going to arrive. So if it doesn't arrive, we're going to have problems. But what we need to do is remove these reinforcing bars. So like we did on the rears, we're just going to cut through the internal skin without damaging the outer skin. Again, double fingers crossed. I've crossed my toes as well. Let's get the tools out and get them cut off. Okay, the first strengthening bar has been chopped out. Not too bad. I'm going to do the second one. To minimise the mess, I just created this little pocket out of duct tape. So all the sparks are flying off to the left. The majority of them are going to get caught. Yeah, so keep running the cutter down the full length, and every pass, just have a look to see how deep you've gone. Once you can't see silver, you're through, but tiny bits at a time, rather than going deep and finding out you've cut through to the outside of the van, which would be a nightmare. Okay, just received this parcel from from Jackson Leisure, which is an adventure window. You can see this box is damaged, so I'm going to open it up, just make sure the window's not damaged. Oh, looks good. Awesome. So the window's in. Got to say, I'm pretty happy with how that's turned out. Because it's the curved, there's no gaps. So the hardest part was just dealing with all the excess Sikaflex, even though I didn't put that much on. Oozed out, and then you got to wipe it off. quick tip is to avoid using a bit of rag more than once, or a bit of paper towel more than once. Bit of white spirit, give it a wipe, and then bin it. Use a clean bit, otherwise it just gets everywhere.